What's the meaning of blowpipe? Blowpipe. Blowpipe.
Blowpipe. Blowpipe. A blowpipe refers to a tube or pipe that is used to blow air or gas into a fire to increase its heat. It is commonly used in metalworking, glassblowing, and other similar activities that require high temperatures. A blowpipe works by using the user's breath to force air into the fire, which increases the temperature and allows for more precise control over the flame. Blowpipes can be made from a variety of materials, including metals, wood, and even reeds. They are an essential tool for many craftspeople and artists who work with high-temperature materials and require precise control over their work.